Vini, I have some wonderful news for you.
What is it, Mommy?
We're going to attend your uncle's wedding today.
Really? We're going to a wedding?
Yes, we are.
Will there be music at the wedding?
Of course there will be music.
And dancing too?
Yes, lots of dancing.
Yay! I want to dance all day.
We should start getting ready for the wedding.
That's right. We need to pack our bags and choose our outfits.
Can I take my pink dress with me?
Yes, you can. It will look lovely on you.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to go.
It's going to be a very special trip for all of us.
Mommy, which dress should I take for the wedding?
That's up to you, dear. Pick the one you love the most.
I want to wear this one. It's my favorite.
That's a beautiful choice. Let's pack it carefully.
We should finish packing soon. We don't have much time left.
I'm almost done with the clothes. I just need to pack the gifts.
Mommy, I want to take all of these with me.
That's too many toys, Vini.
Our suitcase won't have any space left if you pack everything.
But I need them. What if they miss me?
You can take just one toy with you.
Only one?
Yes, choose your most special one.
I'll take my teddy. He wants to come to the wedding too.
That's perfect.
Papa, look. The trees are running so fast.
It only looks that way because the train is moving quickly.
Oh. And what are those green fields?
Those are farms where farmers grow crops like wheat and rice.
Are we going to the village now?
Yes, your uncle's wedding is taking place in our village.
Is the village different from our home?
Very different. It's quieter, and there are green fields everywhere.
Will there be lots of people at the wedding?
Yes, everyone from the village will come to celebrate.
What happens at a wedding in the village?
There are many beautiful traditions. People sing songs, do haldi and mehendi ceremony, and enjoy delicious food together.
And there will be a big celebration with music and dance.
That sounds so much fun. Can I dance with everyone?
Of course, you can.
I can't wait to reach there.
We'll be there very soon.
Welcome. We've been waiting for you.
It's so good to see you again.
Namaste, Daddy.
Namaste, Beta. Here, have some sweets.
Thank you, Daddy.
Come inside, come inside.
My little princess is here.
I missed you, Uncle.
I miss you too, Vini.
She's been excited about the wedding.
Mommy, what is she putting on your hands?
That's Mendy. It's a special tradition before the wedding.
Can I get it too?
Of course, you can.
It tickles.
Don't move your hand, or the design will get spoiled.
I am trying.
Vini, come here. It's time to get dressed.
I'm coming, Mommy.
You look absolutely beautiful.
Do I really look nice?
You look like a little princess.
Yay!
Wait, no one move. I want to take some pictures.
Papa, take my photo too.
Of course. Stand next to Mama.
Smile, Vini.
Perfect. Let's take a selfie.
I'm ready.
These will be lovely memories.
Now let's go. The wedding is about to begin.
Mommy, why is everyone looking at them?
Because they are the bride and groom. Today is their special day.
What are they doing now?
They are performing wedding rituals.
Why do they have a fire in front of them?
The sacred fire is an important part of the ceremony. It is a witness to their marriage promises.
What promises?
They are promising to take care of each other and stay together always.
That's so nice. Why are they walking around the fire?
It is a tradition. They take 7 rounds around the fire to complete the wedding.
7 rounds?
Yes, each round has a special meaning.
I want to see everything.
Stay close and watch carefully.
Hello, can you play with us?
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Ram.
I'm Vini. Let's play after dinner.
Okay, Vini.
Looks like you've made new friends already.
That's wonderful.
Wow. There's so much food.
Yes, weddings always have a big feast.
Come, let's get your plate ready.
I want to taste everything. This is so yummy.
I'm glad you like it.
Come on, everyone. Let's celebrate.
I want to dance too.
Go ahead, show us your moves, baby. Look at her. She's enjoying so much.
She's the star of the evening.
Dance with us, Vini.
This wedding is so much fun.
Today was truly a wonderful celebration.
Yes, it was lovely to see everyone together.
The whole day was full of happiness.
And so many beautiful memories.
I had so much fun today.
Did you enjoy the wedding?
Yes, Grandma. This was the best day ever.
Moments like these are very special.
Family time is the most precious gift we have.